Morning guys, it's 6 AM and it's day 2 and we feel pretty good to say we haven't been to bed for 40 hours and the kids slept alright. So today we're going to go swimming and then we're going to go for a walk, then we're going to go to the theme park which is within Circus. There's 25 rides in there and there's a brand new one. So we're going to go there and tonight we're going to go to a buffet restaurant and then we're going to go for a drive out into the wild. So we'll report back in a bit. So we're going to go down to the foyer. The kids are hungry. It's 8 AM. So we're going to get some breakfast. Then we'll have a walk around the hotel and show them the places where we can eat, and we're going to go swimming. Because I don't know if your kids are the same, but I was just whinging all the day. So we'll film them whinging as well, just to show you how bad they can be. They're really bad today. Then later on, we're hopefully going to go to Hoover Dam. It's about a 45-minute drive from Las Vagas, and we're going to go and get some photos from up there. So this is within the hotel. Lots of restaurants and shops, and the main theme park is in the Adventure Dome, which is there. It's a bit early.
It opens what days is it?
We'll go in there later on.
It opens at 11.
And it's that time of the year again. Bright dawn. Most of these on here will be here from last night. So we've come to Krispy Kreme for our breakfast.
It's inside hotel, isn't it?
Oh, look at that! Look at that for a coffee.
There's loads of stuff inside the hotel. Zarina's got a pumpkin donut. Well, she did have. Safi's got a strawberry one. Well, she don't want it.
This is my donut.
I've got a caramel latte.
Look at that. Oh yes. The diet has stopped. The diet never started. We've come to the pool for a bit, for about 2 hours, because Zarina loves swimming. So we've come down here for a bit. I brought my new underwater camera, so we're going to try that out. And then we're going to probably go for lunch. Then down the strip, then to Hoover Dam, hopefully, if we've got time.
That's my voice.
Good afternoon.
So, we're on our way to Hoover Dam now. We've been round the pool this morning. Just been to a Subway for dinner. And now we're just heading towards the mountains. To, is it Boulder City it's in? I think it's in Boulder City. It's nice though, yeah.
After 300 yards, turn right. Turn right, then you have reached your destination.
Oh.
Hoover Dam straight on.
Well, go straight on if the sign says straight on. Boulder Dam. Oh no, that's the Boulder Dam Museum. It's taking us to that.
Oh, right, okay.
We want to go to Hoover Dam, don't we?
After 100 yards, turn right, then turn right.
Weird stuff there.
So we're here. It's here somewhere. I think that we would be able to see it because it's that big, but I'm not sure. Hoover Dam Lodge. So we must be almost here. So we're at Hoover Dam. And we're just going through the mountains. We haven't seen the dam yet. It must be around the other side of this mountain. Nice scenery though, isn't it? Not all mountains.
That's beautiful.
There is some coffee and stuff. This way on road trip. Must have not been out of his way. Sophie. Sweet. So we've gone through security checks to get into the Hoover Dam area. And Sophie keeps coughing. And we're just gonna go to the visitor centre now. Get out and have a little walk around. So we're here at the Hoover Dam and it's there. We're going to go walk along it. It doesn't look very big from here, but it is. They do tours as well, but they finished the tours for today. So that's like a diagram of it, where we're going to walk.
Where are we going to walk?
We're going to walk over that, are we?
We'll have a little walk.
Hoover Dam memorabilia. So this is a flag, a memorial to people that built it, I think.
Out of many one, is inscribed on the scroll held in the eagle's wings.
More memorials. Walking across the dam.
This is the ultimate death slide. Look at that. Whoa. So Della's just tried pushing me down it actually. She's tried lifting my legs up. It's quite scary, guys. It is scary. It's very steep.
Mum, I spilled it down the top.
Film me drinking. What are you drinking? You washing your face? Heart Attack Grill.
Is this?
So have a guess, guys, where are we tonight? We've come to the Rainforest Restaurant here in Las Vegas. It's actually moved. It used to be at MGM, now it's here in Planet Hollywood. And it's nice and quiet. So we got here eventually.
Take the flash out.
I'll sort of take the flash out. So we got here eventually. No, it's a video, this one. It's one of our favourite place to eat. We like Rainforest.
Fruit with it.
And Saf is asleep. She's jet lagged. She can't get out of it. Oh God. What are you having?
I'm getting a pudding.
You want a pudding?
We'll eat all that first. You might not be hungry after all that.
What are you having? Shrimp?
Shrimp, mashed potato, coleslaw and sauce.
What's you having?
Yeah,
Mac and cheese,
Great.
as always. I'm going for a burger.
Fine, thank you.
I've demolished that tonight. I was hungry. I'm always hungry. So guys, it's time to say goodnight and God bless. It's been a hard day today. So we'll do some filming tomorrow on day 3. So take it easy, guys, and I'll see you soon.